size is for, not the length, size is for the tea. Longer spoon is for the tea, while ang shorter in size are for the coffee. But I'm not so sure if we do have an available there. Diba sa ating vernacular term, we call it kutsara at kutsara. The kutsara, that is intended for the tea, while the kutsarita is for the coffee. Siya. And then ito, what is this?
Ice holder?
Huh? This is for your garnish holder. This is one of the compartments. The garnish holder, actually, guys, is yung buo na black in color. Do you have there? Yung black in color na buo. And this is one of the compartment. When you say garnish holder, guys, this is where you put your cut garnishes, like your lemon, your orange, na ready for the drink garnish. Dito mo siya lalagay. But that consists of, ganito siya kahaba, and that color is black with cover. And inside that black container is this one. So we call this a garnish container. These are your container or the compartment. And then the holder is, I'm repairing the garnish holder, is yung black na yun, yung buo, the entire. And these two are the nozzles. Pourer. Pourer. P-O-U-R-E-R. P-O-U-R-E-R. Pourer. You can use this one, guys. Yeah. There are some controls the flow. Particularly, you can use this in replacing the caps of your spirits. Imagine vodka, instead of twisting it, covering it, most of the bar are replacing the cups with a pourer. So it will be easy for them na every order diretso pourer. Yes, actually naman siya some of the pourer are free flowing. This type is a free flowing pourer. Other pourers also are controlled one, only intended for one shot, 1 jigger, which is only 1 jigger is equivalent to how much ml? 30 ml, yes. 1 jigger consists of 30 ml. So these two are poured. Then, dito tayo. We have
Ice holder. Ice bucket.
Ice bucket.
Ice bucket. Wait.
Ice cooker.
Ice cooker. Scoop.
Ice
Cooker.
Ice cooker.
Ice cooker. So, hygienically speaking, we are not supposed to put this scooper inside the ice machine or the ice bucket. So never ever put this scoop inside the ice machine or inside your ice bucket. For what reason? For contamination. Okay? So ice cooker. Then we have ito. Thermometer. Milk thermometer. Pero thermometer na lang. It's okay. It's a clip-on. Thermometer. This thermometer is used when we do our milk, anong term namin yan? Texturizing, or rather you may call it foaming. Creating a foam. When you create your milk foam, we need to have this thermometer because we need to check the temperature. If the temperature goes beyond, meaning to say, you will not be able to create a perfect an excellent foam. Not siya appropriate temperature. So this is thermometer, ice scoop thermometer, and then we have this. Sometimes we call it also a stirrer spoon, or particularly these two are an example of a bar spoon. Spoon and fork. Ito, bar spoon, ito bar spoon and fork. These are the two different shapes or designs of bar spoon. Bar spoon, pairing and then we have Ano sa ne?
Squeezer.
This is what we call Hawthorne strainer. Hawthorne. Hawthorne. Meron ba ako dyan sa ano ba? Sandali ate. Hawthorne. How is that Very good. Wala. Capital H di siya. So that is a spelling ha, Hawthorne strainer. Hawthorne, guys, is the last name of the person who invented this strainer. When you Boston shaker. Boston shaker is consists of a metal na shaker plus meron siyang glass o na parang siya. Parang hindi nga style. I'm not so sure if you have seen it from the bar or in the bar, any bar. So if you're gonna see this kind of shaker, they call that shaker as Boston shaker. Boston. They use it for shaking lang. Mga mild shaking lang or mixture of ingredients. So, glass yung nasa taas, yung nasa ilalim is made of metal. Now, when you pour na, eto na ngayon ang gamit. So, if you're using daw, the appropriate way, if you are using daw the glass, if the ingredients are from the glass, coming from the glass of that Boston, palitan na dito yung ingredients. Transfer niyo mo siya. Pag imo kang gamitin daw, ano niya sa Hawthorne? I don't know, ano? But that's the policy daw. I-strain mo yung mga items, yung ingredients na nasa loob, yung mga solid items. Yeah, yung mga, for example, the ingredients are made of mojito, for example. Okay? So obviously, pag ginamit mo siya ng strainer, hindi ba yung gusto niya ang leaves? Mint leaves mo siya.
Igor ang
bulaklak. We do have also another strainer where they call it julep. Julep strainer. Julep. J-U-L-E-P. J-U-L-E-P. Julep. Julep. It's another name of a strainer na looks like this, pero para siyang kutsara. Para siyang ganito. Same like this, pero obviously, mas malaki. And then with holes. So if you can see that kind of strainer now, looks like a spoon, a serving spoon with holes in the middle. That's a julep spoon. Julep strainer. The purpose also of that is just the same way that Hawthorne strainer. The strainer. Particularly if you don't want the small ingredients to be included. Miss, isang pag-differ nga naman, miss, na julep ang gamitin. Kasi ito, if you're going to notice, di ba malaki ang hole? Some particles of that ingredients can go through. Where if you're gonna use the julep kasi is spoon lang with a hole, small holes. Therefore, even the smallest portion of the ingredients cannot pass through. Okay? So that's the reason behind. And then this one, itong available sa bar natin, we call this either a cocktail shaker or a three-piece cocktail shaker. Why three-piece? We have the first piece. Hindi ko siya makuha. Piece. Remove the cap, you can also strain without using this julep or Hawthorne strainer. So thermometer, ang kanin,